Welcome to the New York, Las Vegas. Join me for a short walking tour of this beautiful casino and hotel. First, a few pics from my adventure. Won't stop till I see what I want to see. Welcome to the New York, Las Vegas. This hotel is really an architectural wonder. You can see the Statue of Liberty and the Empire State Building and so much more. I can't wait for you to see it. There's even a roller coaster winding inside and outside this casino and hotel. Some other popular destinations you will find here are the flagship Hershey's Chocolate Store and the Shake Shack Burger Joint. This is one of the most impressive casinos, both inside and out, in all of Las Vegas. I hope you get to come see it really soon. I really felt I was transported to another place during my time here. I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my new channel. Thanks.